How to cure dandruff, my secret for long hair and clean scalp. No more dandruff, baby, no more dandruff. If you're suffering from dandruff, then this video is for you. Tell a friend to tell a friend. In here we cure dandruff, and that's I am Maryamkapama. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and if you're my regular returning supporter, my day one subscriber, welcome back, and thank you very much for tuning in. I'm about to show you how to fight a scalp disorder known as dandruff. So what's dandruff? Well, dandruff is basically the failure of your scalp to reach its adequate nutrition levels, where the scalp begins to peel the soft surface of your head. It happens usually when you leave your scalp dried for so long. In other words, your scalp is really not happy. It's mad at you because you left it to dry out. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your scalp happy and to fight that disorder known as dandruff. So be sure to like this video and comment down below and let me know your issues, your scalp. Let me know, just let me know down in the comments, okay? So for the ingredients, you're going to need cloves. Cloves is a powerhouse. It's packed in rich nutrition ingredients that supports the growth and the health of your scalp. Firstly and mostly important, it has beta carotene. Beta carotene boosts the tissues under your scalp and enhances the blood flow that supplies this oxygen and food in the scalp. It also has eugenol. This is excellent antiseptic that heals your scalp and all the rashes and any type of scalp irritation. So it's amazing for the scalp issues. Also, cloves has vitamins and minerals that enables the hair to flourish. So your scalp begins to smile at this point, you see? So next ingredients that we're going to use is the rice. The rice has amino acids that makes the hair smooth and adds shine to the hair. It also has antioxidants that makes the hair strong and grow long. Also, the rice has vitamins and minerals that makes the hair healthier, as well as it has some proteins that conditions the hair. So at this point we have healthy scalp and healthy hair. You see where we are going with the how to grow your hair super long this year? That's what I'm talking about. So how to use the ingredients all together for healthy scalp and to treat this scalp irritation known as dandruff. We're going to mix cloves and rice in a glass jar and add water. Cover it and leave it overnight for it to ferment and infuse. So how to use this mix of rice water and cloves on your hair to fight the dandruff? There are two ways that you can use it. You can use it as a hair rinse or you can use it as a deep conditioner. Since my hair is in a protective style, I prefer to use it as a hair rinse rather than a deep conditioner. take your time rinsing. Just rinse it over and over until all your hair is soaked into the mix of the water. Just make sure no strand is left behind. Be sure to rinse and rinse and rinse before putting your hair into the shower pan. If you have low porosity, be sure to do it more times. Just make sure everything is absorbed. Also, it's important to use heat because heat helps the hair cuticles to open up and uptake the ingredients that are in the water that you just rinsed with, the cloves and the rice, which helps the scalp produce healthier results from the roots to the end strand of your hair. So at least 20 minutes be under heat just to help your hair do its thing. Okay, it's important to use heat because, as I said, it opens your hair follicles, it adds moisture to your hair and scalp and prevent your hair from breaking. So it's in other words, it strengthens the hair. So just make sure you have enough time to sit under the heat after doing the hair rinse. It's important for your hair. So yes, child, you can even use this if you want to take down your hair. Just use the mix, rinse it up, then start unraveling your cornrows or your protective style. It's gonna be super soft and you avoid a lot of breakage. So you can do this once a month, twice a week, depends with your hair. Thank you very much guys for watching this video to the very end. But if you're curious and how you want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and of course watch my next video where I demonstrate how to achieve these curls on your own 4C hair that lasts for a whole week. Okay, so until then I can only say I'm going to see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.